So you may ask, how do I set this up in something like Discord? Well, I'm going to show you. I already have it set up right now. As you see, right there, there's music going. And I am having stuff go through the chat right now. So I'll show you voice and video. Then input device will actually select Voicemeeter output. That right there is going to be this virtual output B right here. As you see, B, output B. Input, we're actually going to select Voicemeeter input, which is the same as the Windows volume. You can select whatever you want here, but I like to send it through Voicemeeter input because you control it. You can control it a little bit more. So Voicemeeter input. All right. So I'm playing music as an example of, say, like if your friends were in here or whatever. So Groovy's playing music right now. Groovy, the chat is going through virtual input, the same as Windows volume. And my mic is going from hardware input to virtual out, the hardware output B, into right here, as you see. So that's how you can set it up in something like Discord, and it's really useful. It's really easy with the regular Voicemeeter. You can get a little bit more in depth with banana and potato because there's more inputs and outputs, and I'm pretty sure banana has 2 virtual inputs, so you can do it a little bit different, and I'll show you in another video. But that's it right there. Simple as that.